We're going to demonstrate on how to replace your locking pin. When you order the kit, it will come with 271 red Threadlocker, the replacement locking pin. This is the HD locking pin. There are 3 different types, so please make sure to order the correct pin depending on which system you have. And also the operating manual. On page 14 are the written instructions. The tools that you'll need are a 5/8 open end wrench. You could also use vice grips. We like to use 5/8 open end because it will fit on the pin housing really nicely. You can also use a number 16 millimeter. You'll need heat, and this will help to loosen that Loctite so you'll be able to uninstall it. And the last tool is the vise, and this is to hold it firmly in place. This may be a familiar sight to you where you only see the housing on here, and that is because in certain situations the knob on top of the pin might come loose, and so all the internal parts come out, but you'll still see the housing installed on the female. Also, it could just be completely off. But for today's demonstration, we'll go ahead and heat this a little bit. It's already preheated, but we'll just heat it up just a little bit more, and it'll take about 30 seconds or so to get that nice and loose. Okay, and I'll go ahead and put on this glove because it will be hot when we take it off after unscrewing it with this. So this is the 5/8. So you just go ahead and start to unscrew that. Okay, you could probably just use your hand to unscrew the remaining part of it. Okay, so now that is done, so set that aside. And we have a blue shop towel. Use this to wipe off the excess Loctite inside of it, if there is any. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and prep the new pin. So we'll go ahead, this was already pre-opened, but this is what will come in the package. So we'll go ahead and take this off like that. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to apply on the threads of the locking pin, like so, just like a little bit like right here, like that. And then also on the threading of the tractor coupler plate, so just like that. Okay, and then you go ahead and just start to screw it in. All right, and then go ahead and use your wrench to torque it down. Go ahead and torque it down a little more. And that is it. The final step is to go ahead and take that shop towel and to wipe off any excess Loctite. And check the underside. There's some excess right here. You'll want to wipe that off. You don't want the Loctite to get inside this pull pin. Otherwise, it could get in the internal spring, and then this would really make it harder to pull that out. But once that's done, that's it. There's a 24-hour full cure time for Loctite 271, but after that, you should be ready to go.